The time of Qurbani.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عن البراء قال خطبنا النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يوم النحر فقال إن أول ما نبدأ به في يومنا هذا أن نصلي ثم نرجع فننحر فمن فعل ذلك فقد أصاب سنتنا ومن ذبح قبل أن نصلي فإنما هو شاة لحم عجله لأهله ليس من النسك في شيء.
Narrated by Hazrat Bara bin Azib. May Allah be pleased with him. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, gave a sermon on the day of Eid Zuha. In it, he said, among the special deeds of this day, the first thing we do is perform the Eid prayer before Allah, and then we return and offer the sacrifice. Whoever does that has acted according to our way, and his sacrifice is valid. But whoever offers the sacrifice before the prayer, his sacrifice is not valid. It is just meat for his family, nothing more.